Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix a theme not loading in your Shopify store. If your store isn't displaying properly or your theme won't load, don't worry. We will walk you through the common causes and how to fix them step by step. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, if your theme isn't working properly, the first thing we need to do is create a backup. Click the three dots and download the theme file. This way, if anything goes wrong while fixing the issue, we have a backup ready. After creating a backup, go to Edit Code. Once we are in the code editor, we need to remove any disabled apps or custom code that has been added. If there is any custom code in the theme, delete it first. Once the custom code is removed, the next thing to do is clear the browsing cache and data. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and delete the browsing data. This will help refresh the theme. After that, click Refresh and open the themes again. We should also check the version of the theme. Click the three dots to view more options. To check if the theme is up to date, view the release notes in the drop-down. Select the theme and check for the latest version. Make sure the latest update is installed. If needed, we can restore to the free distribution. If the issue is still not resolved, try using an incognito browser or a private browser for testing. Once that's done, restart the computer and the browser. If the problem is still there, contact customer support and let them know the theme is not loading. That's how we fix a theme not loading issue in a Shopify store. Troubleshooting these problems helps keep the store running smoothly and gives customers a better experience.